up, I come on. I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. No one ever saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't visit. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped. Now we planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. This to pay the way, man, it's my decision. Never been forced. Honestly, it's sick, and now they making claims. They be so insane. Talking about our change, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big. Now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game. No questions, boy, that's it. I wake up, I swear to God. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know.
No.
Just what I want.
Yep.
So got me low. I know they hate. I pay them no attention. They tryna imitate me, but I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care less about what you did or what you doing. Honestly, I'm
All
too
right.
concentrated on my biz. I don't got time for the game.
What up, chat?
No mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen a fire I can get. See all they hate it don't work. We got the plan. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah.
All right. What is good? What is good?
No.
How we feeling?
So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. So got me low.
All right. How we feeling, chat? Good morning. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Good evening. How y'all feeling, man? Y'all good? Good to see you guys. W's in the chat. Let me set this one up here. All right. We should be good. Yeah, man. So how you guys doing today? Good? Good to see y'all. Welcome in. Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What's good? What up? Oh, damn. Oh, we got motion here. AB Mike in the house. Energy is in the building. What up, Energy? What up, YOLO Trader? What up, Big LeGrand in the building? Got a trade is here. Billy's Lost is found. Let's go. Louis G's in the house. What up, J Coop? What up, OGH? SG80 in the building. What up, Rob Trades? Rob Trades in the house. Adam 8 Figs in the building. Ewan is in the house. What up, Ewan? What up, Kelvin? What's good? OGH in the building. Eric P in the house. Scotty C in the house. Simple Trading. All right, let's get it. How y'all doing, man? Everybody doing good? Everybody good? What up, Raja? What up? What up, Magnus? Rapid Max in the building. What up, Rapid Max? What up, Richard Lewis? My man preaching out of the Gospel of John here. Let's go. Yanosh in the house. What up, Yanosh? What up, Michael? What up, Gregski? A lot of familiar names, man. Consistency is what's going to get the job done here. Oh, yeah. All right. What up, Wags? What up, Tills? Let me send the Zoom link, and then we're going to rock and roll here. One moment. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today as we settle in. If you're not subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Zoom link is out. So Zoom link is good. Let me grab my tools. Boom. Good to go. All right, let's get started here today. It is it's like 7:14, so let's go ahead and get the day started and rock and roll here. Zoom good. All right, Zoomers, you guys should be good. Yeah, the lad is here. He's the first one in. Let's go. What up, Stevie Mac? Mr. Lopez in the house. Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. Yeah. Mr. Lopez. I like it. What up, Wall Street Sniper? All right, let's get the day started here. I'm gonna pray real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a top-down analysis and dive into it. So let me pray for you all real quick. I'd love to pray for you and over your future, and then we'll get the ball rolling here. So Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, we thank you for another great day to be together. I pray for your people coming in this stream as they move in and out, Lord, as they go about their day. I pray you bless them, Lord. I pray you give them hope and a future just like you promised, Lord. We thank you that we can live those promises, Lord. We thank you for calling us to this work here, Lord. We ask that you bless it. We ask that you go before us here today and make our path straight, Lord. We thank you. We give you all the glory for this opportunity. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen. Amen. Time to rock and roll. Let's go. Always better when it's blessed. What an honor it is. A new day. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. And let's get rolling. TK. All right, cool. All right, let's rock and roll here. So let's go ahead and get the day started. Today is the 27th. Amen's in the chat. Hallelujah. Praise God. Today is the 27th here of August. So we are creeping in now the last couple days, right, of the month here. So, you know, chill out, relax. It's been a very, very good month here. So let's just be easy here today. Tomorrow, let's wait for the best, and I mean the best opportunities that we can put ourselves in front of and only execute when those opportunities come, right? We don't want Pac-Man pulling up here in the last couple days of the month, all right? So let's focus on being professionals today. Let's be disciplined. Let's be patient, and let's just do what we do best, gang. We do it really good. Let's keep doing a good job at you know, just staying in flow with these markets and really reading price for what it is, not what we hope it is. You know, you guys see me very easily when we can get all excited like a trade's coming up, and then one or two red flags show up, and I'm completely off that idea, right? So we have to continue to remain doing what we know works best. That's how we get paid. We're not here to trade. We're here to observe, and then we're here to make smart business decisions, investments into the markets when our opportunities arise like true professionals. So that's what we're going to do here today, just like we do every day. So let's take a look at the news here. There's not too much going on. You've got some orange and yellow folders here around 9 a.m., but then 10 a.m. you got some red folders. So we got some red folders here coming in at 10. You got the consumer confidence and this like Richmond, Virginia manufacturing index stuff here. So that shouldn't be anything too crazy. Here today. We'll follow price action. We don't have much news in the way, especially during our session here. So should be a good one. Let me pop this chat. What up, Zoomers? How you feeling? What up, C Melly? What up, everyone? What up, elites? All the elites are pulling up. So that's pretty much all we got here today. Let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's jump into price action. Let's see what we can come up with. If you guys can like the stream before we do a top-down analysis, that'd be awesome. What's up, Jay Coop? What up, everyone? What up, Zoomers? And let's go ahead and dive into it, man. Let's see what we got here. How's the music, by the way? Music good? Music should be good. Should be good. Someone tell me quickly before I begin. Quickly. Good? Yeah? Okay, cool. Great. All right, awesome. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's lock in here, focus for a few minutes, and let's go ahead and review price. Yeah, let me just add this to Zoom. Okay, cool. All right, you guys are good. Okay, cool. So let's run a top-down analysis here. Let's talk about price. We've got some interesting things happening here on gold. So looking at the daily time frame, as you can see here on gold, we've clearly been moving upward, right? So you've had price moving up for quite some time here. Now we're kind of chilling out in these all-time highs again, right? So we keep making these all-time highs here on gold. This is the new all-time highs sitting right here at whatever this is, 2570-ish. And that's our new all-time high here. So if we're looking at these daily candles, what do we notice? We notice that we, again, have moved up. We created support. We had a very strong candle push up. We closed above the overall range here, as you can see, and then you know, we began to break all-time highs here. So that was your all-time high, started to break it, but then after breaking it, you don't really have much going on, right? You had this bearish candle here close at resistance. The next one drove down very nicely, and then did a fake out, right? So it did a fake out. We came back down to retest this zone here, and then you can see the fake out taking place right here, as price then closed back above the range here, right? So now that we're back above the range, we're in this like undecided territory here. As you can see, price is just printing for the most part side by side, very small candles here, right? So outside of that fake out, we really haven't done much after pushing out of this zone here. So we're just trying to see now what price wants to do. This candle did close bullish. We did close bullish yesterday above the overall range. It had very little to no bottom wick, if you guys could remember. Looks like this candle has already come down, broke the lows here. So very interesting, right? We can go all over the place with this analysis here today, right? We could say, well, you know what, maybe we have a pack runner, and you know, therefore we may break the lows here and then continue pushing up to fill that wick here today. That's a possibility, right? We also have the possibility of respecting this high to the left here and then beginning to continue driving down, right, to retest the lows. So I am open for both buys and sells here today, depending on what's taking place on the lower time frame. But all in all, we could see why buys would work out, right, if you start flipping bullish. And then we can also see why sells would work, being that we already did break that daily low here. So let's go ahead and drop down to the 4 hour. Let's take a look at this 4 hour chart. I was sitting with Adam. Yeah, I was sitting with Adam yesterday, another elite member. We were talking about this 4 hour chart here and how it was very important and played a pretty important role as to when price gets going here. So as you guys can see, 4 hour time frame has been consolidating for quite a bit, right? So we came in, we moved up here, we consolidated, we kind of had this zone here, right? And we did this little fake out again there. So you see a nice fake out happen right there. Price closes back in the range, and I believe this is your overall range here on the 4 hour chart, right? You have this resistance here, you have pretty much these support levels right here, and that's your range. Now you had this fake out take place, and now it looks like you do have a closure below. So if we're closing below that range, we now have clean traffic moving down into this support here on the 4 hour time frame. So this is actually pretty good news. If we end up breaking that low, you should see a push coming down into this range here, as the 4 hour is looking to probably tap into that support level. And then obviously there's much more clean range coming all the way down here. So you never know, if we do kind of stay below this range, that's typically where we're going to find that push here. So we need to identify what this is, right? This could be some trouble for us on the lower time frames, these wicks. So we need to see if these represent, I bet you they represent supports or different things on the lower time frame here. So let's take a look. So there you have it. There's your support level on the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour support at 25.39 here, and then you also have a resistance here at 25.50. Now these are the future charts, so they might be a little bit different on Oanda or any of the other ones that you're using. But just pay attention to the price action here. Don't worry about the price itself. So let's go ahead and drop down to the 30-minute time frame, because right now we're starting to range a bit, right? So let's see what's taking place here. So you've got a support here on the 30, right? You have a resistance here on the 30, and then above and below that, you have pretty decent traffic, right? Let's take a look at what this looks like on the 15s. Yeah, so we got this range right here. So we moved up and down in this range pretty fluently, right? But recently started to struggle in this area, and now we're coming back up to that area. So I like the 30-minute time frame. I like closures here. If you do close below, you've got about a 35 pip range coming down. So if that's the case, we're going to anticipate this 4 hour candle beginning to drive down, right? If it's starting to flip bearish here, break the low, and then close below here on a lower time frame, then you're most likely going to fill that wick, and then again potentially come down to tap into that support level. So I do like closures below 43 there. Let's go back to the 30-minute time frame, and then I like range 2 buys here. right? I'd rather take range 2 buys, being that the 4 hour is still bearish. If the 4 hour high, so I want you guys to take notice of this high. I'm sorry, let me get the arrow. This high right here. Let me draw your attention to that high, right? If that high is somewhere here, right, then you have a much better shot at taking buys on the 30-minute closure above, right? But because that high is way up here, it's very difficult to shift your bias to bullish before that 4 hour breaks the previous candle high. So example, right, meaning if this candle, right, if we just redrew this candle here, right, and the high was sitting like here, right? So once you tap here, you basically break that high. Then you can shift your bias to bullish a little bit quicker here. But keep in mind that this 4 hour candle can remain bearish, right? As long as it respects this high here, it can remain bearish there, right? So we really want to see a range 2 buy before we take that, because we could just be coming up to fake out and then drive down. Cool. Sweet. So that is the day. That is pretty much the day here so far. Gonna look for range 2 buys above this 30-minute resistance here, and then you do have pretty clean range 2 buys. You have pretty clean range coming up to fill that wick as well, right? It's about a 53 pip range. Then you got sells below here breaking the 4 hour lows there, and you got about a 50 pip range coming down as well. You are going to deal with a little bit of chop, which I already did deal with in my last trade, but we'll see if we get a new closure below. You should be good to run down at that point. So that is the day. This range may shift a little bit later as we creep into the session, but yeah, as of right now, this is what I got. So range 2 buys above that 30-minute resistance, and then clean sells here below 30-minute support there. If you don't like these sells, just put your support below that major one, and then you got a nice clean move coming down. 57 pip move. So if it's not the greatest below here, then we wait. Cool. And that is it, man. That is the day. So let's mark it up, and boom, boom. All right, cool. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So I'll be looking to target that wick fill there coming down originally, and then there's a lot of range here today for sells if we are going to look to come down. So as of right now, that's what we got, and that's my story, and I am sticking to it. That's it. What's up, Raul Trades? What up, Edson? Mr. BTC, Dropout Trader, Zeb's in the house, all right. Stephen B in the house, what's good? He says he's late, but I disagree. I believe he's right on time here. Right on time today. Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, Oanda's telling different stories. I bet. Yeah, it's honestly a little bit of a bummer here with the mismatching 4 hour candles. It's tough. You got to make a decision, I guess, and just stick with one. Yep. Yo, good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Captain. What's good? What's good? The reason why I just feel like we should stay here is on this chart, right, is because I actually pay for this data, right? So this is most likely the live feed, where Oanda is just, I don't know, so I actually pay for this data. So I don't know, I feel like this is probably going to be the better route to go with. Let's see. Loud and clear. What up, Buzzner? Favorite book in the Bible? Probably the book of Acts. It's a tough question, man. Yeah, no worries, Ryan. If your support's a little lower, I don't blame you. It's not a bad idea as well. I may move mine depending on when and how we actually close below here. Yo, what's up, Jamil? What's good? What's good? I took a loss here last night. Right here. So took a buy. Took a buy right here. Yeah, right there. So took a buy. We had a 30-minute candle close. Previous 30 close and no bottom wick. Next candle comes down, creates support. So this was an Asian session last night. So ended up taking a buy right there and then getting stopped out. I think it was, yeah, stops are below, yeah, below that low there. So yeah, that didn't work out. Probably should have waited for a closure outside of the range. I think that's the reason. I think this may have been an unnecessary loss here that I took. Yeah, because it was a bit choppy on the way up. Didn't look bad on the 1 hour though. Didn't look bad for a price to, like, I was expecting this 1 hour candle to close back in the range, right? So like you see the range here. So you close below it, right? But we had all this wick rejection. And I expected if this one was closing with no bottom wick, that we may have a shot at faking out here and closing back above, right? So that was my idea, and then filling that wick there. But didn't work. Didn't work out. And then I took this sell here earlier this morning, which was 15-minute time frame. Yeah, right here. So this candle closed below. So you had a price ranging right here, right? And then you had a closure below here. So took a sell on this candle and was looking towards this area right here for partials. All right, let me draw that better. For partials got tapped. Notice how we struggled there for a little bit and then made our way back up. So, you know, the partial TPs play a vital role into what I've been able to accomplish here on the desk, right? So for those of you guys that never want to close partials, or you want to, you know, hold and do all this, like, you really have to pay attention to what's in front of you every day. I want to hold too, right? Don't get me wrong. Like, I want to make the most money as possible, but I want to make the most money as possible, right? So that's why I look towards these areas and say, hey, you know, if that's good enough, like this was pre-New York, I got like 20 pips on this trade. So that was good enough for me here pre-NY and before the stream. So I just took it, you know, instead of going break even. So you really do want to get acquainted with having your trade management in place when it comes to setups, entries, how you're going to manage profits, how you're going to manage drawdown, and make sure you got all that stuff in place before ever really taking a trade. Yo, what's good? It's about to rain. Yeah, we've been getting rain every day here. So 5 p.m. over the last couple weeks, we just been literally thunder, lightning, downpour for like a half hour, and then next thing you know, it's just a beautiful day. Back to a beautiful day. Let's see, what do we got? What up? Oh, yeah, data collection, yep. That's all we're doing. Winning and losing, we're just collecting data. That's all. Morning, TT. What up, Melvin? Good to see you, man. I took that celery yesterday during Asian. Oh, nice. Oh, very nice. Look at you, Stephen B. Okay. Oh, man. What other charts are we using? Yeah, that's a tough one. They all seem to line up with Oanda. Yeah, they all seem to basically line up just like Oanda. So, I don't know, man. That 4 hours tricky. Yeah, I just don't like the fact that the biggest thing for me is like the 30-minute and the 1 hour. It looks like it's lining up here today, but not every day does it do that here. So, I think we're good here on Oanda today. Yeah, I think we're good. You got, this is the range here. Looks fine to me today, so you shouldn't have any issues today. But you know, the other day there was that trickery going on. Yeah, so we could chill on Oanda. So that way you guys got 25.11, 9.24, and then 25.08 here. Boom. All right, cool. Yeah, we could chill on Oanda here today if we need to. The only thing is the 4 hours aren't matching up, right? So the 4 hour here looks like this, and then the 4 hour here looks like that. So that's the issue here. Mr. President, all right. Woke up for your reply. Yeah, we'll get together pretty soon here, Raja. This week, later on this week, we'll get together, brother. Let's do it. You sent me your trades, right? All right. What up, Xander? See Mele. Check charts for stream. Yeah, let's do it. Let's take a look at charts for stream here. See what we got. Charts for stream. Yeah, if you guys have charts, you need the key. Yeah. Oh, he's probably in the playroom. All right, charts for stream. All right, let's take a look and see what we got going on here. All right, so let's take a look at this one. So we got strong. What is this? This is gonna be gold, right? Gold. I can't tell the time frame here, but we got a strong rejection on the 30-minute, 15 and 1 hour, 15 close with big rejection wick, 15-minute after London open. All right, yeah, nice trade. Beautiful. So you had this nice, so you had price kind of moving up, create that resistance, create that support. Price attempted to really this worked out, right? This onion play would have worked out. And then you got the rejection there, closure, weak candle. Next one makes the top wick, breaks the low, perfect entry, break even around here. Love it, man. Great trade. Great trade. Who is this? Michael, let's go. W. All right, let's take a look at this one here. We got 30-minute onion play. Okay. All right, got activated after the creation of the bottom wick. Wants to break the high, maybe enter too soon. Buy stops on the buy stops, break the previous. Okay, stop loss below low, got stopped out. Yeah, so this trade was very understandable. Some of you guys were in this trade yesterday. I believe this was right after the stream. So what I was doing yesterday was I was really trying to wait and see if we can start rejecting here. So I actually ended up taking sells here yesterday. I didn't want to touch these buys. I don't know, man. I don't know. It was a little fishy there, but I completely understand why people were in this buy. This was a great trade to take. I think just maybe a little bit of like intuition and experience helped me here. I'd rather miss the buys and just wait for some sort of opportunity to short the market, because we were ranging this whole time, right? We were ranging, and then we couldn't break out to the top. We broke out heavy to the low, right? We came down, so clearly the volume's pushing down, right? So during this time, this is typically when they're going to want to activate buyers, right? Because what's happening here is it's just a pullback. So you got price coming here and then pulling back to come down. So yeah, so basically you were in a way fighting that move there, and that's probably why that didn't work out to the best that it could. So yeah, good trade though. I don't blame you guys for being in that trade. I probably would have been in that trade last year. All right, let's see what else we got here. All right, we got Took this setup 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, time frames bearish. Took this trade as 15-minute broke previous 15 lows. All right. Yeah, nice, nice, man. Beautiful. W. Great trade. Got the wick fill. Awesome. Break the lows. Yeah, you had nice volume to push down there. Great trade. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, so 1 hour candle closing to resistance. Took a entry on the flip of the candle here. Okay. Close my position. Done for the day. All right, cool. Good work, man. Yeah, nice trade. You got a fake out here, right? Price kind of, you see these rejections, boom, boom, rejecting all like at the same level at the 1 hour. And then you have a candle close above it. Another candle close back below. That's how you know you got your fake out. Therefore, you should at that point retest the low again, right? So yeah, great idea there. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. All right, let's see what else we got here. What up, TK? What's good? What's good? All right, let's take a look at this one. Oh, this is a question here. Okay, so if you would have been in this trade, all right, already got to advantage point, break even, and now you see a fake out closure, would you close full or wait for it to hit break even? Nah, I'd probably wait for this to hit break even. Yeah, especially now that I've closed my partials and I've gone break even, I really don't want to interrupt it, right? The point is, hopefully we get a runner now. So hopefully, you know, we just continue pushing up. So I wouldn't close it there. I already closed the bulk of my position. I just let it run. Yeah, but again, there's no you know, there's no right or wrong answer there. All right, I think that's all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. If you guys have charts that you want us to review, send them in. We'll take a look. And oh, we got one here too. Okay, cool. This is the same as the other trade here. So daily bullish, 4 hour tap target. Okay, 1 hour possible rejection. Continue, 15-minute tap resistance. Yep, same trade. Yeah, great trade, man. This was when was this? This was London session, maybe. Yeah. Nice trade. Yeah, this one was nice. I really did like that. So sometimes you want to wait for that support, but if you're in the London Open or any high volume time, typically that support right there is going to just get blasted through. So especially after a rejection like that, retesting those highs, closing bearish like that, you're typically good to go. You know, that's a minor support. If you want, you go break even there, but volume should push you through that. Come into like maybe these zones here. Yeah, more so the top of this range. All right, because if that was the last range it went to, then that's typically the one it wants to, you know, kind of turn back to and give a little tap kiss. You know what I mean? A little tap. So yeah, good work. Really good trade. Was that London? I think that was London session. Where do I send my charts? Send them into our Discord channel. Charts for stream. You could send them right into there. TK, how we feeling, brother? Does my camera looks a little off today here, right? A little smaller. I don't know what happened. Clubhouse, yes, guys. If you want to get on the wait list for the Clubhouse, so the Clubhouse is going to be $149 a month, right? So $149 a month. If you get on the wait list, it'll be $111, and you'll just be guaranteed that, you know, for your existence of the membership. So if you guys want to jump on the wait list, jump on it and save some money there. September 1 or September 2 is when we begin. Get ready. I haven't been. This is one of the most exciting things I've ever had that I've looked forward to, man. This is going to be unbelievable. I know that some of the traders in here are primed and ready to go for this, like ready to step into your next level of 8-figure trader, man. What's up, Buzz Blab? How you feeling, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see ya. Can you pay for 6 months? Yeah, there'll be an option for I think 3 months, 6 months, and I think that's it. 1 month, 3 month, and 6. TK can maybe correct me if I'm wrong. Bu- 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 When you're reading the Bible, how do you select what scriptures to read? I used to read front to back and would find ways to read the whole Bible. Yeah, I don't know. The Bible confuses me if I don't have help, right? So I go look into, I have a pastor friend who I look towards to study certain scriptures. And I also have the Holy Spirit to guide me. And then I also watch other sermons, right? So I have good friends who are pastors that I go to. I also have the Holy Spirit, right? Number one that I go to, and then I just watch certain you know, videos on some of the scripture as well. I'll tend to sit in scripture in like 20 verses for like a week at a time. Yeah, I've already gone through a lot. In a way, like not rushed through it, but have been through it. But now I'm really diving deep, like especially this whole year I've been in the Gospels, right? And just been spending a lot of time there, a lot of time. So I usually take about a week to chew on about 20 verses at a time. Yo, Babadooey Life, what's goody, what's goody? Hey, I'm gonna check on all that for you today, brother. So I'll message you or message me. Yeah, I'll message you later on today on Discord. Hey man, sorry to hear about your mother-in-law, brother. Good to have you back here, man. Good to have you back in high spirits. All right. What do you guys got, man? You guys got any good questions? Got some good questions here today. It's 7:45, 7:46, so we got a little bit of time, 15 minutes. I would love to see how I can help you today. Whether it be trading, whether it be personal brand, whether it be business, whether it be mentality, spirituality, whatever it is, man. Let's talk. Let's chat. Matrix. Now, let's not talk about the Matrix. Let's talk about the Matrix. Save your Matrix questions for the clubhouse, please. Please, 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 and thank you. Save them for the clubhouse. What am I looking for here today? Range 2 buys above this 30-minute resistance and sells below this 30-minute support. I might look for sells below this support instead, depending on how I'm feeling when this if and when that closure happens. You're welcome, DJ Scratches. You're welcome. When are we starting Asian session? We're going to be starting Asian session in September. So Asian, London, New York, and then after we get off the stream in New York, we'll have that whole live stream going till market close. What's the best way to learn about spirituality? Seek truth by yourself. At first, kind of hang out alone, right? And just really think, you know. Remember, Earl Nightingale stated something. He mentioned the strangest secret in the world. You guys know what that is? You guys ever heard Earl Nightingale? And what he mentioned was that men simply don't think, right? So I think if we could just think a little bit, spend some time thinking. A lot of times we don't do that, right? We go from this device to this device to that computer to that message to that DM to this inbox to that song to that text message. We never think, right? So I think that thinking would be where you would start first. Forget about man's opinions for now, right? Just try and really seek truth and ask that higher spirit to come in and give you a hand, right? To help you understand, to give you understanding, to give you wisdom, right? Solomon asked for, he could have had anything, he asked for wisdom, right? So I would just begin to start asking for wisdom and just spending some time alone. You know, some of my greatest breakthroughs were just me staring at a doorknob. How much wins in the months? I don't know. 157 for the year. So 157 wins over the last 8 months, about 9 months. About 9 months. It's actually pretty fire. It's one of my best years. Yeah, if not my best year so far to date. Yeah, 157 wins since January, 39 losses, and a couple break evens. I think I messed up the break even thing. I'll have to go back in the journal and check. What books am I currently reading? None really. I'm reading Be Your Own Real Life Superhero. It's a quick read, easy read. It's a fun read, so it's not something that's too much. Like I want to dive into some other books like Think and Grow Rich right now, but I've just got so much happening that that I just picked up a simple book to read. I've been recently struggling with setting weekly daily bias, especially when the previous candle closed doji. Well, it's more than the closure, you know. You gotta say, hey, well, how are we closing? What are we closing? Where are we closing? Right? What is the weekly doing? What is the monthly doing? Right? There's a lot that goes into it that you can really build up a story for yourself, you know. So you just gotta tell the story, man. Go read Go watch actually the video I did on higher time frames to lower time frames. I think that'll help you out. Hey, give me 1 second. All right. My bad. Top 3 advice from Mr. V. Damn, yeah, I think we talked about that yesterday. So I don't want to go too deep again into that, but yeah, that what you do, so shall you reap. That everything takes time. That there's a process to it all. That success does not care about your feelings. It only cares about the work that you do, right? As long as you're taking the necessary steps to get to that ultimate outcome, then it will work. But if you have excuses, it doesn't care about your excuse, right? The process doesn't care that you got a flat tire or your relative died or you had to take time off and you can't pay your rent. It doesn't care. It only cares about, are you doing what it takes to win? And that's it. You know what I mean? So that was 2. And then third, right? You asked for 3. Third piece of advice would probably be just integrity, you know, just to be who you are, whether the cameras are on or off, whether people are in your face or not. You know, stand by your word, be true to who you are, have integrity. If you say you're going to do something, do it. And that success simply lies in doing things when no one's watching, right? Like, it's really cool to talk a good game when people are around, but what about when no one's around? Are you still on top of your game? Are you still doing what needs to be done to earn that success? So those are probably like the 3, you know, pieces of advice I would say. Yeah. Outside of just helping me also really, really develop a relationship with Jesus, those would probably be the 3 things. Yep. Awesome, Don. Awesome, brother. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Have I read Robert Greene's book? Actually, I have not. I have not. Is it best to focus on one of the plays than all of them? I find myself only looking for a breakout. Yeah, so if that's naturally what's happening, I would just say you probably have a knack more towards seeing that and like getting a read on that. So I think it's good to just keep one in your pocket until you've really seen that happen over and over again, master that one, and then you can move on to another one. Don't be afraid to be a beginner. Don't be afraid to be a beginner. A lot of you guys are probably extremely successful outside of trading, but you're new to this. Humble yourself, G. Right? Don't be afraid to be a beginner again. You don't know about this, right? So learn about it. If I came and I wanted to learn about your field, I would not find anything wrong with just being a beginner and looking like a beginner. Let's see. I learned so much about me. Nice. By recording myself when I walk. Yeah, that's what I would do. I would record myself all the time when I talked. Anytime I did meetings, I would record myself and do all that stuff. Hold on. So what time is it? 55 here. So we got the NY Open coming up here in just a few minutes. You've got this 15-minute trying to do something here, right? 30-minute potentially closing bearish. The range here is, I would say, about 34 pips. So we gotta, wait for this candle to close, and then we'll see where we can go from there. Yeah, we may even be able to switch up our zone here a little bit and do something like this. Yeah, and that will leave us more room here. This is where I took my sells earlier. So we do have a clean range coming down. We did kind of try and pull back up. Maybe we're making this higher low here to continue down. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the closure goes down here. Okay, what's this one? This is a dire need question. Nick, for example, when a candle closed below range but without a top wick, can we still enter or no? No. No. Don't spam, bro. If we get used to being a beginner, we can learn anything new. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, how many guys seen the Vivek homeless prophet? Vivek the homeless prophet that I told you guys about, right? What did he say? He had some of the most craziest wisdom I ever heard. And what did he say? He said, I don't know anything. I have no idea. I don't know nothing. So, man, remember, a wise man, he thinks he's a fool. Oh yeah, we'll make some golf vlogs. Yeah, now that John's coming back, we'll try and play a little bit more here. The man who think he's a fool, but he be the wise man. The man that don't think he's a fool, he's too cool for himself. What practices have been the most transformative in your spiritual journey? Bible study, obviously, and I would say journaling and self-talk, self-affirmations. What would you give your younger self advice? Anything is possible. I used to have limits. I used to think maybe certain things were not possible for me, right? But then I had to read the word of God. I had to get the promises, right? I had to begin to journal and really like find that truth for myself. And then I began to self-talk, right? And kind of tell myself, wire my brain for success, right? And then those are, if I would have had that already, then I would have known that anything was possible. But after a decade of doing all that, now I truly do know that anything is possible. Yeah, we're thinking way too small. No matter what you're thinking now, it's too small, trust me. Did I face issues with unlearning old trading things? A little bit, but not too much. I only really learned one system before this one, so it wasn't too crazy. And I know how to pivot, you know what I mean? I know how to make the adjustment. So I knew that I was going to have to just completely unlearn to relearn, and that's what I did. And just so happened to be, that was the quote, right? That was like the motto of Raja's course, right? It was unlearn to relearn. So it was cool. You know, it was cool. I was all about it. And I'd already unlearned to relearn just other things in life. So I knew the process already. All right. So we have our NY open here. So let's take a look at the hour closure here. So you did get an hour closure above this range here, right? So let's take a look at that 4 hour again. 4 hours kind of staying in this zone here. 1 hour closed above. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute candles have not closed above yet, and we closed bearish. So I'm not going to take anything just yet. If you do close above, though, you've got a new support here. So there may be an opportunity at that point. But as of right now, I'm not going to touch the buys yet. Yeah, I also don't want to sell here because we may sell into that 1 hour bottom wick. Right, so it's not ready yet. This range really isn't too hot. Is there going to be a new logo? Not really. Maybe the logo into something else. Yeah, but not a new logo. Come on, man. We got that one tatted. We got that one tatted, Andrew. Have you come to any exploring other pairs on? Yeah, so we're gonna look into US 30 a little bit more here, and the NASDAQ most likely, as we venture off into the afternoon trading together. We're going back to GJ. What do you think, Louis G? Tell us more about the clubhouse. The clubhouse is the next level for TTE. This is the next level of my vision. This is where we get a little bit more intimate, a little bit more closer with traders. We're gonna have live streams running, so we're gonna have some premium channels here in the Discord. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff together. We're gonna be live trading Asian, London, and New York sessions. We're gonna be doing one webinar every single weekend. We're going to be doing one trade review every single week. We're going to be networking together, as you're going to find a lot of other entrepreneurs are in the program. A lot of other friends of mine will be dropping gems on maybe their specific niche or their specific industry. I'm going to try and get some heavy hitters that I know in there as well to kind of give some sort of sauce when it comes to either trading or just personal growth and development. So this is the next level here for us. And yeah, that's pretty much what the clubhouse is. And you know, it's just gonna continue to evolve, right? So we know what it's gonna start as, and then we look forward to seeing it as it evolves. And we're really looking forward to seeing who evolves from the clubhouse, right? And giving traders a shot to really take things to the next level. US 30 you like better? All right. What do I think about ES? Yeah, I'm honestly pretty open, right? I'm pretty open to spending the rest of the entire year during the afternoon session. Probably not so much like this time, but during the afternoon session, I am all in to kind of look at like 3 other pairs. So we already know gold. We already know what gold's going to do. We can kind of put this over to the side, and then we could look at a few other pairs for the next couple months as we move into the new year. And then by the new year, we may have something. You know, we may have something that we like. We evolving like Pokemon. Hey, yo. Tandy's in the house. Tandy got the bulk plan for all the skinny mofos. Let's go. W, Tandy. Tandy, we're going to the next level, brother. Yeah, word. How's Odin? Alright, let's see what we do at this wick here as well. How's my man Odin doing, Tandy? Did we get a bottom wick? I don't think we got a bottom wick there. Nope. Only the real OGs know what's up right now. Somebody clip that? Which part? Clip it! Alright, so let's pay attention. Let's see what we do. We don't have a bottom wick on this 1 hour candle. 4 hour candle is moving up. Will it have the yearly plan? Yeah, I think we got 1 month, 1, 3, 6, and then 1 year. John is on the road here today, so John's not gonna be here today, I don't think. Maybe he'll pull up on the chat, or maybe he'll be in Zoom. I'm not sure, but you're stuck with me here today, chat. I think. So use me, man. Take my brain and use it. We got a party in Zoom. Word. What up, Lights Fire? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. How do I join the clubhouse? You can join September 1st. If you guys want, you guys can get on the wait list for like the early bird special, and yeah, jump on there, and then September 2 we begin. This move is like a 30-minute celery. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, it's just below the range here. If this happened above the range like this, then I would have been 100% looking to get involved here. But because it closed below it, I'll let it go. Green, how we feeling, bro? How you doing? Yeah, if you guys aren't signed up to our email listing, you guys can sign up to our email list as well. Get our newsletters, stay up to date. I've been throwing some recaps of the streams in your inbox lately, so you could expect more of that from me as well. And yeah, just trying to stay in touch with y'all, man. Just trying to make sure you guys are good. Give you some stories, give you some things that help me. Maybe they'll help you. Yup. Right, Green? Yup. My birthday is September 3rd. All right, lights fire. Why does micro's gold look different? Does it? The price is different, yeah. But the price action right now today should be straight. Yeah, the numbers are different, Ronnie, because they're different. So this is the futures chart here. So the numbers are going to be a little bit different than OANDA. But the price action is pretty much the same here. So I wouldn't worry too much about the numbers, but the price action today. Are buys valid off the BSL? What's the BSL? Break structure low break. What's BSL? Can you see the sell he took pre-NY? So bullish. Why didn't I wait? Well, the on my on this here, the 4 hour was bearish. So that's why I took that sell. So on Oanda, for some reason, it was bullish. I'm not sure why. This is what's really throwing me off here today, is the whole different on these charts. Really, this week, right, and last week. So that's why I took it, because based off of this, the 4-hour was bearish here, right, and then that was the idea. So yeah, little move down. Nobody knows nothing. 15-minute time frame. I was expecting that 4-hour to start driving there. Yeah. Yo, some of y'all are funny, man. You guys make me laugh from time to time. You guys make me laugh. Yeah. Of course, right, Scott? Today the 4-hour is looking bullish on Oanda. Yeah, and they start at different times and all that. Yeah. Yeah, I still want to go with futures, because this is a chart. This is data that I legit pay for here, right? So this is live market condition. This is all live here. So that 4-hour is what it should be according to the markets here. I think Oanda's lying. How much do I pay for it? I forget. Gotta trade might know. How much do I pay for it? Gotta trade. I'm not even too sure. It's not even that much. It's not even that much. It's a small number. I think all in all, between the data and the TradingView connection, it costs me like $15 a month. Something like that. So it's really not that bad at all. Yeah, 12 or 14 bucks with tax. Yeah, I think it's like $15. It's amazing. $100 for the year. All right, see, Melly, we can't all be big ballers like you, bro, and buy the whole year. You know what I'm saying? $8 a month, man. $8 a month. Are you in a trade? I'm not in a trade. Nope. Yo, what up, Sandman? What's good? What's good? What's good? Buying it at Costco, man. Costco. Yeah, so we want to see what's going to happen here, right? If this candle closes back below the range, and most likely we will begin to head down here. So, but this is a big candle here. You got 15-minute closure coming up. You also got 30-minute closure coming up in like 16 minutes here. So I'm going to wait on the 30 closure. We'll see how the 15 does, respecting this resistance here, but then you have another one right here. So just going to chill out and remain patient and disciplined and stick to what I've been looking for since I got here. What up, PM Magnifico? How you doing, bro? King Tuffa, man. See, Melly thinks this grows on trees out here, man. Liquidity grabs are just like opportunities to do fake outs and trick traders into getting in and all that. Like, this might be a liquidity grab here. Some of them are really big, some of them are small, depending on what scale you're trading. You know, this right here is a liquidity grab. You see that? Where that candle broke the high, right? That although that looks something slight for you, right? This activates millions of dollars worth of stop losses that are going to hang out below here. right? Because people are getting into buys on the break of that high. So although it seems like, oh, it just slightly broke, that's a liquidity grab. You know, that activates buyers, and that's why a lot of times we look for that when we take fade positions, because we need those buyers activated to say, hey, that's where the liquidity's being grabbed, and then push, you know, in our direction. And then, you know, you'll be the liquidity. How do you learn where the liquidity is? You are the liquidity for some time. All right, cool. So 15's closed. We closed right at resistance. This may be where we get our fake out. So we'll keep an eye out. I'm not taking these buys. I'm waiting for range 2 buys above here. This may be where we start to fake out. If we push up, I mean, it's whatever. I've let price push up once or twice before. I'm all right. We'll be good. Andreas in the building. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Brr, I already blessed you guys with the Uzi.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Yeah, how are you guys doing this week? So it's Tuesday, so you guys probably set some goals over the weekend. How are we making out 2 days in? How are we making out? Who's still struggling with like really being disciplined to the plan? You guys take trades, you know, you do well, but for some strange reason you go back to like the older ways. You go back to you know, just taking random trades, right? For no reason. Whether maybe you took a good trade and it lost, and then you just try and get that back. You know, that's I feel like that sitting down with traders on a daily basis, I feel like that's the biggest issue. It's not that they're stupid or that they don't know how to trade, or they just deviate too much. You know, they deviate too much, or they don't have enough patience to wait. So how many of you guys are struggling with that here? Yo, let's go, Devlin. Yo, this guy gave her the finger and she just pulled out the blessing Uzi. Let's go. W. That's a W in the kingdom world, man. Didn't it feel good? Felt good, I bet. That was your opportunity. Yeah, I know. It sucks. You know what I mean? And I got news for you. That's going to continue to happen. Right? That's just going to continue to happen until you actually get rid of that gray zone, right? You're like, trading should be black or white. You have a playbook, right? It's either there or it isn't. So when you leave that gray area, you're going to go in that area and you're going to use it as often as you possibly can, because for some reason most of you guys want to take a trade here, right? You just want to take a trade, you know, and I get it. I really do get it. But I'd rather get money, right? I'd rather get money than get into a bunch of trades. And I began realizing that in 2021, that it wasn't the idea of trading is not gonna help you make money, right? The idea of owning a business and executing on good business deals is going to make you money. And that's the way you have to treat it in the markets, right? You wouldn't just do a lousy deal with somebody, right, and get gypped off for your money out there, you know, in regular business, would you? So why would you do it here, right? Why would you settle for less than anything in these markets, where these markets can take your money like in a snap of a finger, yet you don't want to really take this serious on a professional level, right? So I think you just got to stop deviating, you know, at the end of the day, and you have to sit tight. You don't have to trade my playbook, right? You have to trade a playbook though, right? A playbook, a system, something that works, something that yields good results, and then you just get the heck out of the way. Right? Just get out of the way, man. I wanted to take this buy here today. I had to revert back to my system and get the heck out of the way of the system, right? So it keeps me profitable. It's not that I'm so awesome, right? It's not that. It's just I'm willing to be a good executor and disciplined to what works. I didn't invent any of this stuff, by the way. None of it. I'm profitable right now, but my discipline's trash. Wow. Imagine if you were disciplined. Whew. Imagine how profitable you'd be. Damn. Damn. W. Is this 100% mechanical? I wouldn't say 100%. I wouldn't say 100% because you're still going to do things off of intuition. So you're still going to do things off of your time spent in the markets, right? Like I've been now sitting at on the 30-minute time frame here on gold for, I don't know. Tandy, how long has it been? Is Tandy still here? Tandy, how long have we been sitting in front of this gold chart every single morning? I don't know. It's got to be 3 or 4 years at this point. Just strictly looking at gold. Right? I think it's been like 4 years of just every single day during the New York session. I've been here. So you'll learn a lot. You'll develop some intuition there. But most of it, I would say like 90% of this is mechanical. I'm undisciplined and unprofitable. Okay, that makes more sense. This guy said maybe even 30 plus years. Maybe. You never know, Tandy. Yeah, because if you're not disciplined, you give the money back. Right? So you make the money, and then you just give it back. Here you go, take it back. I don't want it. Right? That's what you're basically telling the market. It's like, I don't feel worthy of this. Here, you can have it back. You know, you got to take your money, man. Play your system, run your system, take your money. Yeah, exactly. And then you'll find out that you're becoming more disciplined off the charts, right? The more disciplined you become on the charts, you'll start to realize, hey, I'm actually becoming pretty disciplined off the charts as well. Self-regulated. How about we call it that? Let's not use discipline. Let's use the term self-regulated. How many of you can regulate yourself? How many of you? Yeah, that's right, J4 Trades. Hey, W. Let's go. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. 7 minutes on the 15 close here. So we'll see how we close. At this point, we could probably move this up a bit. We may be able to adjust to these ranges, and this could be a possibility here for us. Yo, it's good to see you, Tandy. Damn. Honestly, I'm feeling a certain way right now, you know? It's good to see my boy. Tandy, when are you gonna come see me, bro? Damn. When are you gonna come up to the good old chapel? The good old chapel. Come hang out with your boy. Man lives down the street. Haven't seen him once. Tandy, when you gonna come play golf? I play golf now, bro. I'm a golfer now, dude. Yeah, you know, I'm a golfer now. See, Melly, what's the term again? If it goes left, goes right. Damn. 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 Yeah, you know, I hit a little fade. Oh, yeah, I forgot we actually have the fade here, too. We got the fade. Yo, forgot about that. Little draw. My draw was on point the other day. Oh, yeah, hook and slice, right? Because I'm lefty. Right? Tandy, I promise you, I'm a golfer now. I'm a golfer. Alright, we're going to get this fake out here. What? Yep, higher time frame saved us again. So, simple candlesticks, candlestick anatomy here kept us out of those buys. And now we'll wait on this 15 closure here. We should have a lot more volume coming in. We have news coming in here, right? Hey, chat, I feel like we've been here for a while. How's it only 8:30? Am I tripping? No, 9 a.m. news here. I feel like we've been here for a minute. Yo, Green, he just took a little nap. Just chill. He just took a little nap. Yo, yeah, come, man. Come, Tandy. I think we're playing on Sunday. Oh, hold on. My wife is here. Me and Don are both lefties. A lot of the greats are lefties, man. The greats are all lefties. Submitted to the wait list. All right. Good to see you, Project Toro. How you been, man? Go. Zero. Yeah, there hasn't been the greatest setups during like the actual session here. Is there an equivalent live feed for purchase for Oanda? That's a good question. I think so. Yeah, welcome back, Project Toro. Welcome back, man. Good to have you here, brother. When are we to meet your wife? I don't know. You guys want to meet Anna? Should I bring her on up? She actually had to head out early today because she had a dentist appointment. So Uncle Joe's here with the kids. What up, Uncle Joe? How you doing? Uncle Joe's here just in case we got the kiddos waking up. What up, Design Forms? Doing fantastic. How are you? John? Nah, John is, I don't think John's gonna be here today. John might not be here today or tomorrow. You're stuck with me. Y'all don't need teeth. Y'all don't need teeth. All right, we got about 56 seconds here on the closure. And we'll see where we're at here. Uncle Joe is the real GOAT. He really is. Unsubscribe with no John? Alright, man. No John, man. Subscribe again on Thursday. He'll be back. He'll be back. Alright, 10 seconds here. Can we close below and get a sell position, or are we going to remain above this zone here? Let's see. 2 seconds. Looks like we're going to close right at it. So if we can make an upper wick, then we can probably have a sell stop. But we close right, I think we close right at it, right? Yeah, we close right there, man. So learned something today. Nice. Yeah, the fake out there. Yep. Yeah, so how do we anticipate that, right? So we anticipated that the 4-hour candle was probably going to make a top wick, and that top wick would come somewhere around these areas right above like a 15-30 minute support, right? And that's where we could look for a fake out. Right now this candle happened to come down and just close way down here now, so we got that fake out due to our read here on the 4-hour chart, understanding that if there was going to be a top wick, it was probably going to form either here or somewhere up here, so that way you can draw people in to the fake out, right? So you can draw people into the fake out, and that's now when you guys come to the desk, look for those opportunities, right, to take advantage of. This candle has no top wick, so there's no sell for me here. So if we had a top wick, I'd look to take these sells, but yeah, we don't got it. We don't got it. Oanda got a closure. Let's look at Oanda's closure. Yeah, no top wick though. Yeah, you see how Oanda closed below, and the futures didn't. So I don't want to keep going back and forth. I want to just kind of stick to one now. Sell now. You could if you don't care for that top wick, then yeah, why not? Or that closure, then sure. But I care for both the closure and the top wick here. We didn't get that. Yep. Yeah. Should be good. No? Alright. Hold on one sec. I'll do it now. Alright, give me, I'll be right back. 1 minute. right. Gotta pay the fee. Gotta pay the fee. Where's TK? He's probably here somewhere. Can we enter here? I don't know. Can we? What do you think? What do you think? Oops. Are we in or not? Did we enter? Grabbing liquidity. Everything's grabbing liquidity, man. Up here, down here. It's all liquidity. Yeah, that 15-minute candle dropped. Yep. No wiki. Yeah, there you go. No wick, no entry. Peter read my mind. Will the meetups be in Florida? Yeah, we'll probably have some meetups in Florida, definitely. That's another thing, too. We're going to start doing... I'm going to try and start doing some more stuff together. No, I wouldn't have been in this. I wouldn't have been in this because there's no top wick here. So if we had a top wick, remember, once this candle closed, what did I say? Okay, if we can get a top wick, we can have a sell here, but no top wick. No top wick. You guys probably have not and will not ever see me go against my plan. Ever. I like sells in the 4 hour. Yeah. So there's a lot of wicks here, but we'll see what happens. So this 4 hour doesn't close for an hour and 20 minutes, right? So it's a weird situation to be in now. Weird situation. You guys will let me know. Yo, that ain't part of the plan. What would you guys do if I took a sell here with no top wick? Would you guys pinch yourself and think you're in a dream? Yesterday's trade was taken with no top wick. What's the difference? So yesterday's trade wasn't taken with no top wick. I was already in that trade. So that was where was that at again? That was 15-minute, right? Is that here? No. Oh, right here. Yeah. So this trade I was already in. So I was in a fade position here. So got into like a fade. My entry was like down here on the break of the low. And then went back into drawdown a little bit. And then this candle opened up while I was already in the trade. And then boom, just dropped. Yeah, so had I been waiting for the onion, I would have not have been in that trade. So this was not a good onion. This was a fade. The onion, if I was waiting on that, that would have been no bueno. So if you guys were waiting on that, don't worry about letting that move go yesterday. What's the best computer set for day trading? I don't know. I don't even know, man. I just ask tech guys what's the best, and they just tell me, and I just get it. Yeah, I'm not the best when it comes to tech. I like tech, but I don't have the best feedback. Have I studied the candlestick? Wait. Do you study the candlestick Bible? No, I don't. Kamala or Donnie gonna bring back MT5? Probably not. MT5 is trash. This is so much better. A basic computer works fine for trading. There you go. So we'll see, because this candle has no top wick, and we know that 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So there's an 85% chance that we come back up here. Not 100%, but at 85%. What up, Jimmy Lambo? What's goody? What's goody? Good to see you, man. How you been, brother? Traders X in the house. All right. Let's go. Which of your videos can I start watching as a beginner? I would go with the Playbook 2.0. The waiting game is getting a little long today. Yeah, man, this is nothing. This is nothing, man. It's only 8:40. We've waited much longer than this before. Yeah, that's true, Scott. That's true. That's why you see that 4-hour flip and go nowhere. Go nowhere, because there still hasn't been any real closures yet. There's no closure yet, even outside of, you know, this level here, this 15-minute, never mind the 30 support there. Yeah, 2.0 will probably be the best. Yep. Yeah, especially as a beginner. That's really all you need. The Playbook 2.0, like I was saying the other day, is kind of like a mini course. Like, it really does give you most of what you need. I mean, obviously there's more to it, but it really will give you a solid foundation to approach the markets on a day-to-day basis with. We get paid to wait. Yeah. Sometimes you wait. I already took a trade today, you know, so sometimes if I didn't take a trade, I'd still be waiting though. Nothing wrong with waiting. Remember, we're just observers. The market doesn't owe us jack-ish. The market don't owe us nothing. Hey, TTE's here. Let's put up a beautiful setup. Like, it don't work like that. It don't work like that, man. I wish it did. Trust me. I wish it did. 3.0 is going to be on Amazon? Yeah, maybe. 3.0? That might come out next year. Who knows? We'll see what we learn. Well, it should. Does the market not know I'm here? Yo, what's up, Pablo? What's up, man? We going cliff jumping today or what? 4.0 the year after that. 5.0 the year after that. 3.0 is going to come out when I'm in my Miami penthouse next year. I'll be living in the Porsche Tower. Getting my Rolls Royce just like elevated up, elevated down. That is true, man. That is true. When Trump gets back in, if Trump gets back in, big if, actually. Even though, like, I would say 80% of America is probably going to vote for him, it's still a major if. But if he does, you'll get some good market conditions. Man, we've seen that in 2020. It was insane. Yes, I will. Yes, your IG guru will be coming at you live. Pull up. Damn, I was in Miami the last 2 weekends. No, Arnie. No Matrix talk here today. We're trying to go a full week without getting a stream taken down. We love the system. We love it. Don't we? We all just want to waste our money here and continue to work 9 to 5s forever. How much should I set a sell stop loss at when taking a trade? For 250? I'm not sure. You know, I think the main question is actually what should the number be to win, right? So like, let's say you're willing to risk 100. So I would fix that number before I fix the win number. And yeah, just fix your loss, because that's really the only thing you can control is how much you lose. So you can't really control how much you win, right? But if you're fixed on how much you can lose, then every single trade should be pretty stress-free, and let the probabilities play out, and then just listen to the chart in front of you on when to close partials and do all that good stuff. That is true. People wait a whole month for less money. Yeah, that's true. Hey, did you guys see that picture I posted yesterday? 80. The math was not mathing, man. The math was legit not mathing. Yeah, I think it was like $1,100, right? For 80 hours. Yeah, $1,100 for 80 full valuable hours, man. Damn. Yeah, I posted it on Instagram. What year was it from? I didn't see the year on the pic. So I'm not too sure, man. I wish I had the year. Yeah, for some reason there wasn't a date. But yeah, no, this is my Instagram right here. Right here. Feel free to follow me. If you want some good advice, some gems here and there, my stories will be up. Which gold chart? Yeah, I would say probably I'm just going to stick with this futures chart. It hasn't really lied to me all day. Investars. I like that name. What up, Investars? Yeah, Legrand, it's kind of like drawdown, right? All of a sudden, you go like 5 pips in profit, you're up like $200. You go like 1 pip in drawdown, you're down like $9 million. How does that work? How does that work? How does it work? Someone tell me. All right, beautiful. 5 pips in profit. Why is it like right at break even? 2 pips in drawdown, negative like 350. What? We need a second YouTube channel? For what? What do you want me to put on it? Damn, everyone's questioning that. Yo, I think we've been getting played out here, chat. I think we've been getting played. I thought it was only me. Holy Uncle Spread. And then you got the spread on top of that. IG? Yeah. Yeah, I just showed you right here. This one. Yeah. It's the IG. Yeah, I'll try and post on this more. I'll probably try and post some of these stuff on a different, like a time to eat page. I'm gonna clean this page up a little bit. What's the gold single? MGCZ 2024. I'm nervous to take a trade with you, but I'm here every day for your advice. W. Yeah, there's some people that watch the stream, they don't even trade. Dude just pull up for encouragement. Encouragement. Are you active on Twitter? A little bit. I probably could be more active. Sam Capital? I was just talking to Sam yesterday, actually. Is he gonna come back to stream? If he wants to, absolutely. Yeah, but he's been busy with some other stuff. Sam's family, man. Sam's always welcome. Sam married yet? He might be, bro. He might be. Sam Capital. Sam might be married at this point. Man's gonna come back married with a family. After the 15 close, can we enter? Well, can you? Yes. Should you? I don't know. Do you want to? I don't know. We got support. Right? We got support. So we got to see how the candle closes, right? We got a 4-hour candle closing. So, yeah, I think we just got to wait a sec here. We can, but do we want to? Is the question. Yeah, he's alive, yep. The encouragement is real. Yeah, you know, that's what community is about. You know, community is about iron sharpening iron, right? Cities on a hill, making one more encouraged, giving one more hope, right, than what they came in for. Because a lot of people live a very lonely life, you know, and they don't tell anybody that. So when they come into these communities and they hear things like "we believe in you," that takes people to the next level. That took me to the next level, right? When I actually, no one ever said, "Hey man, I believe in you," right? When I was a kid, no one ever did that, right? I'm sure no one ever did that for you. But when we come in here and we say, "Yo, we believe in you," right? We don't really care where you're from or what you grew up in and what your parents did and how you were treated as a young kid. We know that you can still make it, right? We know that someone else has been in that situation and they have overcome it, right? So we want to encourage you guys to overcome things because there's so much joy in overcoming, right? And it's a bit of a nerve-wracking process to overcome things, but once it's taken care of, it's a breath of fresh air. And then what does that make you? That makes you more resilient. That makes you want to go at something again. It makes you want to challenge yourself. My friend has this company. It's called Do Hard Things, right? Get used to doing hard things that make you a little uncomfortable, because those are typically what's going to stretch you out of your comfort zone. I was cleaning up this office here, and I was actually looking through my journals, and the first one that I began, right, was actually in 2014. And it was a journal entry talking about how me and my wife were going to do something for our business and our mentor was going to host it. But on that given day, he texted us when we just got to the event. He said, "Hey, guys, you guys are up. You're up." I'm like, "Wait, what? You're up? We're in America." He said, "No, you're up." "Yeah, buddy, you're grabbing the mic today and presenting." And I'm like, "Whoa, really?" You know, and I even stated in the journal, we were very scared, but we did it anyway. Right? And that's what winners do. Winners are scared, right? Winners are just as scared as you, but they go for it anyway. They do it anyway, right? Because once we did that, I wanted to do it again. I was like, when can I do this again? You know, and if it feels liberating, right? You feel alive. And I think that's, once we're out of our comfort zone, that's where we truly begin to live. You know, like in that state of fear that you're trying to get away from is where greatness takes place. You know, so you got to embrace it. You got to embrace it. Don't forget to like the stream. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Yeah. Action cures fear. That's right. Action cures pretty much everything. Hey guys, would you look at this? Here's our top
Would you
wick.
look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
What the heck is that? That, my friend, is a top wick. 85% chance we make that, and there it is. Do I use risk to reward? I use risk to reward, yes, in all my decision making in life. Yep. Not just in trading. Yep. Where do we start? Great question. Great question. So you start with really trying to figure out, what do you actually want here? You do know you're going to die one day, right? You guys do know that one day it's just going to be over. We don't know if that's going to be today, tomorrow, 5 years, 10 years, 100 years. We have no idea, but we do know that that day is coming, right? So what do you want to do with your life? Like, what do you want to make of it? Like, what do you actually want to do with your time here? So you really need to figure that out, right? And understand what you're after, what you're looking towards. And then you got to make a plan. You know, you've got to make a plan. And, you know, you may not believe that plan. So there's got to be a business plan. There's got to be a personal development plan. There's got to be a lot. And most of the time, you're going to need a mentor, right? You're going to need someone else to help you with that. So I would encourage you to think of what you want. Find someone who has exactly that, and then offer them as much money as you possibly can to pick their brain. And that's where it starts. You know, that's where it began for me. Gold's tripping? Yeah, gold's tripping on Oanda here. Yeah, the chart's all messed up, Jimmy Lambo. 4 hours are not looking the same. Yeah. Later, Lewis. Later, brother. All right, 4 hour closure approaching here. Well, this one's gonna close here on Oanda. Closing bear. This guy's still open. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna look at the Oanda chart anymore because I don't want it to confuse me. So probably just gonna sit here on the futures chart moving forward and just play the game that way. Yeah, I do like this closure though. If we can pull back a little bit and we close below the range here, you got like a 4 hour celery play coming up, and you've got clean range coming down at that point. Yeah, to the support level. Luke, yeah, I met Luke. I met Luke for the first time in person this last week. Yeah, it was good. It was real good. Very wise young man. Very wise. Yeah, you need to. If you're going to crack the matrix, then you got to find someone who's been outside of it, right, to help you. Luke Belmar? Yeah, Luke Belmar, yeah. Yeah, man, I was pretty fortunate. I went to a Capital Club event last weekend and just was in the right place at the right time and got a chance to spend like 2 hours with Luke and about like 4 other guys after the event. It was so cool. Yeah, I got Luke right here. I met Luke. Jordan was there too. Jordan Welsh. So got to talk to him for a little bit. Yeah, it was a good time. Good time, good time. Yeah, you know, Luke is a very wise young guy, man. He's just the way he is off the camera than he is on it, man. I was very impressed. Very impressed. How much was his event? Hey, oh, chill, bro. Don't even remind me about that. All right, look at this. So we got a 30 closure here. 4 hour. Supposedly this 4 hour just closed here. So we have a candle closure. It's 9 a.m. We may just get the sells. Yeah, we may just get these. Let's see what stops are. 27. Yeah, you got about 27 pip stops. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a sell stop here on gold. Let's see the 15. So the other thing we can do is wait on the 15, right? So your 15-minute plan at a new support here. So now that the 15 has that support, let's actually do a fresh analysis here, so we don't mess something up. So 4 hour candle, right? So we are bearish. We did close below the range here. This candle's been making this top wick now for 3 hours, right? So we did kind of come down. We broke the lows. We pushed back up. We didn't do much there. The 1 hour though now is officially closed bear, right? So now we have an official closure, a fake out back into this range, which was well anticipated. But now you have this 1 hour support here, right? So we got this 1 hour support in our way. Are we just going to range, or are we going to make some moves, right? Well, if we're going to make some moves, we're probably going to need some volume coming in, right? So we know that volume is going to come in at 9:15, 9:30 here today. So we can extend this now. We could say, okay, well, there's a wick to fill. There's a support to the left-hand side. This could be a potential target. We would be having about 30 pip stops here for about 17 pip wick fill, right? I don't really like that. I think that if we wait on the 15 or the 30, that we could have a much stronger push and really look to anticipate, you know, that wick fill right here coming down towards whatever this is, this support level at 39 there. So we're gonna need volume, right? So I'm gonna mark that support off. This support here is pretty important. It's pretty important. 15-minute support. So let's let the 15-minute close, and then we'll go from there. If we close very weak, then we'll have a fade opportunity, and then we'll be able to take advantage of this this 30-minute break of the low. Yeah, so if we don't fill this wick and we kind of just reject, we close like somewhere here, right? And then the next candle goes like this too, starts pumping up, right? Once it either breaks this low here or this low, that could be our entry. Cool. Definitely want to see this candle close weak though, because we got a strong support here right now. Jordan's the GOAT. Yeah, Jordan was mad chill, super chill. Just another regular guy, man. Yeah, you know, yeah, he's good, man. He's good. Yeah, I think I've watched all of Luke's podcasts. What's up, young Pipper? What's good? What's good? Yeah, so we want to see a weak 15 closure here, right? If we're gonna take trades within this zone here, and we're going to look for entries around here, then we really need to see this candle close weak and then the next candle break the low. And that should bring us down for 9:15 and 9:30. Patience, patience. What's up, Jason? Nice to have you here, man. Nice to have you here. If you have any questions, just let us know. Yeah, I met some other big dogs out here down in Miami too. It was a good time. Miami was very productive. Your RR in every trade? I don't even know. I don't even know, brother. Usually 1R, 1 to 1. Sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. Yeah, we're trading gold here. So I usually look at Oanda here, but I trade the futures chart, but same thing. Same stuff. All right, give me just a minute. I'll be right back. We got 9 minutes here, so let's wait on the 15 closure, and then that 30 minutes should be ready to rock and roll. Yeah, give me 1 sec. What is good to trade in India? I have no idea, man. I've never been to India, so you're asking the wrong guy. Did I meet Jeremy Fragrance? No, I met C. Melly though. Oh, and Wiz Boda. And Big Blessings. What's good? You guys got any questions? Any questions today? On the webinar, show 1 to 1.2. Yeah, I would say 1R is probably what I'll go for. 1R is fine. All right, 6 minutes left. Come to India? Hey, book my flight, baby. I'll be there. Let's go. What tool did I use to draw that purple zone? Ooh, Scott, you think we should tell him? The purple zone? I don't know, man. This has been our handy dandy indicator here lately. Can't forget to put them purple zones on. How do I deal with FOMO on a trade you're waiting on? I just wait. That's it. I just wait. I don't get FOMO. I literally do not get FOMO because I know what I want and I know what I don't want and I execute on everything I want. And then whatever I don't want, I just let go. We gotta wait. We gotta wait on this 15. Trust me. Some of you guys got in here when the lows broke. I know you did. I know you did. But rest assured, you should still be good here. Jimmy, your chart's you're probably using a different chart than I am. You're probably using like not this chart right here, which is the micros on gold. That's a perfect top wick though. Perfect wick here. Never broke the highs. Starting to break the lows here. We may move down here, but 15-minute sell is going to be best anyway if this candle closes below. So I would have been open to that sell if we close on the 15 there. If not, we'll take it below. Nothing. Yeah, this here will be your better sell anyway. Your more confirmed sell. Yeah, if we can close like that, lovely. They trade gold in India? Oh, okay. 15 celery? Yes. Yeah, just wait though, because it's 3 minutes now, right? So we want to wait. We want to wait and see how the candle closes. Everything the strategy is just waiting on candles to close. And then receiving the information from that candle and determining whether or not it's ideal to take your position. And if it's not, then you wait for the next candle. All right? And if that's not, you wait for the next candle and the next candle. That's why you always hear us say, all right, we'll see how the next one closes. Bleeding, bleeder. We know we have volume coming in here at 9:15 and 9:30, so we should range until then. Boycott gold? Nah, never. Never. All right, so we'll see if we can get that close below. If we do, I'm gonna have sell stops. If we get that closure below, 2 minutes. What up, Ecom Dre? How are you, man? Hello, Tamra. How you doing? I love Zoom but no delay. TK, don't rub it in, man. Yeah, if this thing drives right now, unfortunately it's gonna drive, right? We'll let it go, but if it does close like this, then that's where I'm ready to go. Keep in mind, we still have some conditions not in our favor over here as well, right? So keep this in mind, right? This area here. So determine your risk. Like I said, when volume comes in, we should push through there at 9:30. But keep that in mind when you're sizing up here on this trade. All right. Ecom Drake all day. Yo. Why do we have different prices? Why? Come on, pull back and leave a wick for us. Why don't you? Goldie, 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 Goldie. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. How many people we got here? We got almost 1,400 people here, Goldie, waiting for a trade. Gonna close with no wick at 9:15 on me like that? Holy. All right, time to wait. Yo. Gold does need some dolphin milk, Tandy. Damn. Gold making me look bad in front of 14 hundo. You guys were ready, weren't you? I know my brother Joe was ready. Where you at, Joe? Joe was ready to pull that trigger. So that's how the professional rolls, right? So the professional could be all ready for the trade, right? Ready to go, just like I was right there. And one thing is off, and that's it. He's out. He's out. He's disciplined enough to know that his emotion doesn't override the logic that's being shared on the actual chart itself. So that's how quick you have to be able to make decisions. Only 400 likes. Hey, if you guys could like the stream for that call with that no bottom wick, give Gold a round of applause here. Like the stream. That's all good. We wait for 9:30 here. No worries, man. No worries. We wait on this closure. We might be good in about 13 minutes. Early seller stop loss tapped. Yeah, most likely. Pretty soon. So if this candle closes below the range, now we have these 15-minute candles closing below. We also have this 30-minute candle closing below. We also have a range to fill. We also have volume coming in. So we'll see. If we drive here, it is what it is. I am not taking this trade on the sell, on the flip here. It's already made up in my mind. Pay the fee. Gold said, how you doing?
What do you want to do? How you doing? Watch your mouth. Nobody knows nothing. How you doing?
How you doing? Joe Stu, nobody knows nothing out here, bro. Yeah, I'm trying to save you guys from FOMO, man. Just ride with me. Just roll with me. You'll be alright. We'll be here tomorrow, God willing. You ever seen that movie Day and Night? With me, without me. With me, without me. Don't do it, man. We do a little trolling, you know.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Gold be trolling. Oh, Kingman's up. Joe Stu, you're funny, man. Kingman's up. Should I grab him? Yeah. Nobody move. That's right. Kingman might have to come in here with us, chat. Kingman might have to come in here. I might have to turn that light off for Kingman, though. It's too bright. I took a sell a bit early. Hit B. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, this looks good. 30-minute looks good here. If we can close below, I like you. Can you explain why that didn't leave a wick for us? No, I can't. I sometimes there's things that you can't explain. You know, the markets do things that we don't really know, nor do we really have to know a lot of times. But yeah, just did it. Just did it. Tampa. Oh, nice. Tampa here. The king brought in the volume. Damn, Kingston couldn't wait a few minutes. Sheesh. Tampa. I'm not originally from Tampa. Where you at now, E Ward? E Ward? From where do we fade today? Possibly down here. Possibly in these zones here. We seem to fade a lot when we came down here, right? Move back up. So maybe. 30 closures, looking good though. Gold pulling that Houdini out here. Yeah, we got 8 minutes for the 30 closure. We got 9:30 coming in, so we'll see where 9:30 wants to go here. But yeah, just chill out. Just chill out. Don't get the market's job is to lure you in right now. Like, how are you still getting fooled by that? Just chill out, man. Everyone relax. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Yeah. Guys, the price is different. It's gonna be different today. And every day. So your price probably looks like this, right? 25.08, 25.11. So yeah, my numbers are just a little different. Little different. Yeah, because if this candle closes back in the range, right, then you have a potential massive move coming up here to the upside at 9:30. So we don't want to do things outside of our playbook here. How do you overcome getting fooled in the market? By getting fooled in the market. Pretty much. So you gotta get fooled a bit, and some time has to go by. You have to trade same pattern, same setup enough to get fooled, right? And then once you get fooled, you'll learn where that tends to happen, and you won't really make that mistake anymore. Yeah, 30 minute. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 30 closure here, and then we'll go from there. We know we have a lot of volume, a lot of power coming in here. That's deep. Yo, most of the time, the simplest things are deep. Right? Like someone asked the question, hey, why did that candle close with no bottom wick? I don't know. No clue. Right? And we really don't have to know. We just have to say, hey, when it does close with no bottom wick, typically there's an 80% chance the next candle's not going to continue driving. So we just leave it there. You know, we don't clog up too much real estate in our mind thinking, well, why did that happen? Or how come? You know, it's just, it is what it is. Would I say it's a 30 celery? No, not a celery. It was kind of a 15 celery here, but not a 30. What up, Bobby? Bobby. What do I think about funding companies, or should I go with personal? So are you thinking what I think? Are you asking what I think about funding companies, or should you go personal funds? I think funding companies are good. I think they have their pros and cons. If you don't have any capital, then I definitely think it's the vibe. That way you get some payouts and eventually start your own account. Yeah. If you have enough money, then to start your own capital now and make money, then you don't need the funding route. Yeah, the funding is best for those who need funding, you know. So if you don't need that, then I don't see, you know, the guy who's got, you know, 50 million in the bank going to get a 150K challenge account, if that makes sense, right? He's got his own liquid, he's got his own cash, so he'll trade that. So if you don't have the capital, then that's good, but if you do, then you might as well go with your own live cash. Unless you just want to learn, right? Then you could take out a funding account and learn and play around with it. $6.30 cheat code incoming. Is it 6:30 for you? Okay. So what are you out west? J4 trades. Is my own capital on top? No, my own capital is in Tradeovate. Yeah, Tradeovate. West side, West Coast. All right, TK, you got some friends out there. Damn, this 30's not letting up here, man. No remorse. Yeah, I don't think we have a lot of traders on the West Coast of America here. Do we? I don't think so. I feel like last time I checked like the YouTube analytics, it was a while ago now, but I feel like the West Coast was not as poppin'. But we want it to get poppin' because we want to go have some fun out there. Goldie on the move. Oh, Cannon's on the West Coast. Duh. Dope. Arizona. From India. Yo, everyone from India. I feel like no matter what, people from India just love to represent. India must be amazing. It must be incredible. Oh, Washington State, nice. Yeah, so there's that wick fill there. Yep, so had that had a wick on it, we would have been in there. I can't take any trades this afternoon either because I'm busy later on, so I gotta go out today. West coast of Australia. Sheesh. Yeah, we do have a lot of people from Australia, so shout out to Australia. West Coast Customs. You remember that one show, Pimp My Ride? That was a good show. Yeah, so we might get a fade setting up here on the 15-minute time frame. 4 hours starting to come into this wick area. Notice that when we came down here a bunch before, we tend to wick back up, right? Come down, wick back up, down, back up, down, back up, down, back up, down, back up here. So yeah, let's keep a good eye on this wick fill here. Let's watch how the next 15/30 opens, and if we start to stall out down here, then most likely you may make a push back up for 9:30. Yeah, exhibit. I wonder how that guy's been. How's that guy been doing? It was all, I bet, yeah, it probably was all fake. Pretty much everything you see is fake. All those reality shows, man, it's crazy. I can't remember. I don't know. I don't remember all those episodes. They were pretty good though. Celebrity deathmatch. What trading strategy would you recommend for someone with a full-time job? This one right here, because with this one, notice how it doesn't really matter what happens, right? All that really matters is like what happens over the next half hour. So you could wait, check charts. Now you know you don't have to look at charts for 30 minutes now, right? And then you can check it, see if there's anything there. You don't have to worry about charts for another 30 minutes. So it's pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, so I wanted to see this candle close like way lower at this point. But we'll see how we do on the open here at 9:30. If we start pushing down with no top wick, I'll probably have a buy stop here. Cribs was like the best one. I think all that was made up too. My favorite was Redman. Yeah, worst case, this 15 goes like this. And then the next 15 like this. And then we have our buy stop sitting right there. Damn, man said dog the bounty hunter. Sheesh. Wow. Yeah, see the buys are probably going to play here. Overextended sells. Yeah, that's another thing too. These sells have been pumping down here for quite some time. Yo, celebrity death. I forgot about that one. That was like in the, wasn't that one in like the mid 90s, right? Hey Joe, if Kingman's wilding out, you could bring him in here, bro. We'll settle him down. We'll settle him down. Oh, I thought you said your wife was quaking. I'm about to be like, damn, we're not about to see this man ever again. The Wi-Fi, though, you good. Dead man typing. Why no sell stop? Because we have about a 19 pip advantage point. Barely anything. A 37 pip stop. And price is overextended here on these sells, so we're coming into that 4-hour territory here. A lot of wicks coming up. Wicks, wicks, wicks. Storage Wars, you guys like that one? I never watched that one too much, but I remember they had some good opportunities there. Today is Tuesday, yup. We're lit. Taco Tuesday? How many of you guys are hitting Taco Tuesday today? What's the weather looking like out here? Let's see, 83. What? Warren Buffett wrote the Gates Foundation out of his will? Oh, good for him. Good for him. Man put the Gates Foundation in his will. Wildin'. Wildin'. Still got chicken in the freezer? No chicken. Chicken tenders? Chicken tacos? Yeah, me, I'll eat ribeye New York strip or ground beef every day. Yeah, you see this is a good pump up here. This happened very quickly though. You guys ever been to Morton's? You guys ever been to Morton's Steakhouse? They got a good ribeye. Man vs. Wild? Yo, which one was that again? I definitely remember. Let's go, Dominic. How do I take my coffee? Believe it or not, I don't drink coffee. I never have. Yeah, there you go. 9:30 pushing us back up. Right back. So we haven't really done much on the 1 hour chart here, man. We got here at 6 or 7, right? And for 3 hours, we've just been up and down. Up and down. That's it. Man versus food. I definitely know that one, yeah. I feel like a lot of people now, they do, if you guys like, I feel like a lot of people do food reviews on social media. And all that came from like that dude Guy Fieri. What is that his name? Guy Fieri? Fieri? Gold throwing liquidity grabs everywhere. Who remembers that show Guy Code? Yo, those dudes were actually mad funny. How long did it take you to become profitable, huh? So I think on the third trade I ever took, so the first trade, I believe I lost my first trade ever. And like my first 2 trades for maybe like $100. And then the third trade I made like 150. So I guess like 3 trades. And I was profitable. Can I make a reel about food? Oh yeah, you can make. Yeah, that's true. Dudes are making money posting posting food videos. How you out there working your 9-to-5 job and some dude's slamming down crumble cookies talking about this one's really cool. dude's making $1,000 a day and you're over there in the office, man. Damn. Yo, I'd be sick. I'd be punching the air. How long did it take me to become consistently profitable? About 2.5 years until I really started rolling a profit. Yeah. Man, talk about this cookie's really delicious here. I love the chocolate chip in it and the smoothness to it. And you're over here. Yo, I'll be damned, man. Got Blippy running around? Nah, I don't do Blippy over here, Scotty boy. I'm done with Blippy. I'm done. Took me like a week to never want to hear that guy's voice again. Diners? Yeah, that one I could hear. That one I could listen to over and over. Diners, drive-in, and dives. It's a double chuck cookie. This one here's got the double chunk cookie in it. Oh, man. Yo, there's multiple blippies too. Yeah. It's getting out of hand. I don't want Maverick looking at that dude. Paw Patrol is. We keep Paw Patrol on here now. Paw Patrol and what's that other one? I don't know. Paw Patrol and something else. Bluey, Paw Patrol, some of those, yeah. All right, man. No wick. This candle pushes down, just happens to drive pretty nicely, but then right back up we go. See, Melia goes crazy. Goes crazy. Yeah, Bluey's good. I don't mind Bluey. Bluey's pretty good. Some of you guys with no kids are like, why are they talking about these stupid kid shows now? I've never been to South Africa, brother. No, never. Never once. Definitely would like to go. Definitely will go at some point. The Little Heroes? I never seen that one. I'll have to check that out. Bluey's fire. Yo, me and my wife be sitting there watching Bluey without the kids. Like, yo, where'd the kids go? Watch your podcast with Calvin. Oh, nice, man. Nice. How's that podcast doing? Let me look. How did that podcast end up doing? I haven't really looked at that in a while. The forex beginner. Yeah, some of you guys know Calvin. Calvin's awesome, man. This guy's got a great channel here. Yeah, how did that pod do? Oh, 20k views, not bad. Not bad. Not too shabby. 2 months? That was 2 months ago? Damn. I feel like that was like a month ago. Less. Yeah, Calvin's great. Yeah, I got a chance to see Calvin too while we were in Miami. Hey chat, we're creeping on 40k here. 199 wins. Yeah, that's right. That's when we had 199. What do we got now? Two something, right? 269? I don't know. All right, Scott. Later, brother. Have a good day, man. Yo, Joe, you could bring Kingman in here. There he comes. Yes, brother. I'll be there. We'll play some golf in South Africa one day soon. You guys still hanging out with me here? How many people here? Yeah? Oh, wow. More people. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's been a boring session here, chat. A little bit of a boring sesh. 1 hour is just chopping around here. But maybe we'll get something. Visit East London. Yo, I got a lot of places to go, man. A lot of places to go. That podcast was how I got to know. Oh, nice. What up, Victor? How you doing, man? Kingman might be joining us shortly. Yeah, really what's going on is the 4 hours holding everything up. So the 4 hours got a problem, right? We're back in the zone. We just made a big move up. created resistance, and now we're just kind of consolidating here. So the 4 hours really was holding things up. Daily kind of already made its move too today and broke those lows there. So yeah, that's what's going on here today. Hey, it's better than yesterday. Remember yesterday? Look at this. This was chalked. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I can't wait for the clubhouse, because there has been a lot of really good opportunities a little bit later on in the day. So for us to be streaming until market close, like the closing bell, is going to be pretty cool. Pretty cool. We should have a lot of opportunity, especially as we begin to dive into like the NASDAQ and US 30. We should have a lot more opportunity in the afternoon time. Yeah, last couple days. Oh, actually today's Tuesday, right? But yeah, this was pretty much Monday's price action while on stream. Right from here. All right, so really just that fake out was all that happened. And then this is today's price action. So really not much happening during the session. "15-minute chalked." All right, Arnie. See you later, man. See ya. For the clubhouse, I think September 1st. Yeah, September 1. Oh, nice, Ronnie. Oh, wow. How many guys came here from Calvin's podcast? Damn. Damn. Yeah, so 15 close. Didn't even throw a bottom wick. Just pops in the first minute. So, nada. Damn. I'm here from Calvin's first podcast. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Me and Calvin did 2 of them. Yeah, I always find it interesting to see how people came to the stream. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we got a Red Folder News event coming out here in about 12 minutes. So, just you've already chilled out this long, all right? You might as well don't spoil it. Don't let your patience and discipline go to waste here. I've been waiting too long. I'm shelling. Hey, believe it or not, that's the story of most traders, man. They're just like, I can't wait any longer, and they just take a trade. And a lot of times it's not going to be in their favor, and that's a story that a lot of traders talk about. See me, I don't care if we even take a trade today. Don't matter to me. I'm just here observing. Just doing my thing. I don't know what's going on out there with my kids. Uncle Joe, you good? Man down, man down. I like that lights fire. I like it. Took 2 trades today. Yeah, actually I did take 1 trade today. Took that trade earlier. This move right here. Little 15-minute breakout. But that's been it for me. Other than that, it's been pretty boring. Pretty boring. Wiz Buddha brought me. Shout out to Wiz Buddha, man. 1 year ago, just scrolling on YouTube. Nice. Just scrolling on YouTube. How much risk percentage have you been risking on personal? I don't. It's always different. So typically now it's either I'm either risking $250, $500, or $1,000. Just depends on the like uniqueness of the opportunity. Let's go. It's my pleasure, Mr. Neil. It's my pleasure. What time can you take the trade? I believe you could take that trade on Sunday evening. So once market opens that day, you're good to go. Yeah, you're straight. Yeah, so the competition's going to begin on the 2nd, or yeah, the 1st actually, which is going to be that Sunday. So September 1 is going to be that paid competition, and then right now we're in the process of trying to set something else up where we're going to go head to head with another community. Yeah, another community, man. Let's see if they can take TTE. What's your usual morning routine? I wake up either at or before 5 a.m. Go straight into the war room, which is a prayer room that I have. Go through some scriptures, go through some promises that I have up on the wall, and just begin to sink myself into gratitude very early in the morning. And then from there, study my Bible. From there, journal. From there, breath work. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I usually go for a little walk outside, get some fresh air, and that's pretty much it. Brush my teeth, you know the vibes. Little cold plunge into the face, like a nice splash of cold water. You could also put like ice water in a cup, or if you have a cold plunge, you can do it in the cold plunge. Wake up and count my blessings. That's right. How can you tell how you have your promises? In which form present to you? Can you ask that maybe one more time? Just a different way? Like which ones are present to me or resonate with me? Oh yeah, of course, yes. And I got my salt. Yeah, there's a few things that I do just on autopilot. Some days I like to take lion's mane mushrooms. You guys ever took those? The lion's mane, it's pretty good. Wake up and seek first. Yeah, that's pretty much the vibe. Yeah, once you wake up and just fill yourself with gratitude, pretty much the rest of the day takes care of itself. Hallucinogenics? Nah, you won't. I'll be hallucinating on here, be like, whoa, is that a juice box? Nah, they're not hallucinants, man. Hallucinogenics. How do you balance spiritual growth with everyday responsibilities? I try and see where I can, so I study the word in the morning. I spend time in gratitude, spend time with the Lord, and then throughout the day, I've got that available to me. So I'll take care of my daily non-negotiables because I know what I need to get done in order to get to where I want to go. And then any little thing that happens in between, like someone cuts me off or some Quaker comes in the chat or whatever, I just try and have the right perspective, you know? Just try and be happy. Bless them with the Uzi. The Uzi blessing. Where to get the lion's mane? You can get it from their web. I think you can get it from their website. I don't think I have I don't think I have it over here. Amazon, yeah, Amazon too. Yep. Damn. Yeah, so we pushed down, we pushed back up. 15-minute tripping over here. Coming back into resistance. We've got news coming in 5 minutes here. Did I take a trade today? I took one trade today, and that was right here. This so we had this candle close below the range, and I took this sell coming down. I did take a loss last night too, right? I think it was right here. Nah, right. Yeah, right here. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so I took a loss last night. I took a buy right here. Stops are kept below the low there, and was expecting this candle here closing with no bottom wick right at support. Felt good about it that we had a nice support forming right here. Green candle closed, entered a buy, and then just got stopped out. Yeah, those are my last two trades in the last 24 hours. Actually, there was one more. There was that other position I took. Yeah, it was this one. So this is the other one I took. That was the one that you guys were asking about, the no wick yesterday. Too high for a trade? Yeah. Yeah, we probably get a better play, I think, maybe later in the afternoon here. You need this 4-hour candle to close. Yep, if this 4-hour candle can close above, then you got really good buys about to come about here. So it really all depends on this guy here, right? If you close above the range, you're most likely going to pop, right, for the rest of the day. If not, you may consolidate in here. So yeah, you got a lot of rejections to the downside here as well. Took the same L. Yeah, I think that was a good trade, Sam, man. I think it was pretty good. I still like it today. Typically, if I don't like the trade, I would think about it the next day and be like, I shouldn't have been in that. But yeah, I thought it was pretty good. You came right into support, right? So you had this support right here, You came right into that zone. You also closed with no wick. Yeah, no wick on the top here. I think it was just a bit choppy, to be honest, on the way up. I think I should have been a little bit more patient and just waited for a closure above. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I could have done better there, but I still like the I still like the setup. It's pretty good. Be a man. Yeah, man. I lost 40 trades this year. Oh no, 39 trades. So we do a little losing, that's for sure. We definitely don't win every trade. Gold is going to plummet. Took that same L. Nice, nice. Yeah, I think the only thing we could have done better there was wait for buys. You know, wait for that breakout, and not took the sell. All right, so I'm gonna hang tight. I'll wait for the news to come out. We'll see where we go, and then I'll leave you guys with some direction for this afternoon, and then I'm probably gonna get going. I won't be trading this afternoon. I got a few things to take care of today, so I'll be out of the house. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with my bias once this news comes out. It's also, like I said in the beginning of the stream here today, it's like the last day, you know, last couple days of the month here. We've done really well. I think we went like 26-5 here this month. So it's been a great month. I don't think we need to force anything. I don't think there's anything to jump at, you know, for no reason. Just chilling. Buy and sell. Buy and sell, buy and sell. Yep. How you go? Yeah, what happened? What they say about it though, leaving it for the next couple of days.
You know, we'll just be careful. But then they didn't have to take it too far because they took the economy worse by exposing it.
Let's see what's up. Later, Kingman. All right, so it looks like news came out here. Looks like news came out. Pushing back down we go. So up and down here. Up and down all day today. Is it your plan to trade multiple sessions? Possibly. Yeah, I'll be looking for. I always do that now. So I look for opportunities whenever they come. So I don't really have a set session anymore. I used to be very fixed on just the New York session and just 1 to 2 trades a day. But I think now I have enough experience and intuition in the markets. I've just spent enough time to, realize when I want to seek opportunity and when I don't. So yeah, I'll probably be taking trades later on in the day. Maybe even at Asian session. You won't see me in the London session too much, but definitely Asian and New York. Let's see. Is there any way to tell the difference between the streams on or trades on stream and off? Yeah, but you got to go to the Discord for that. So come over to the Discord and then come to trade of the day. So this is where all my trades get posted, whether on stream or off stream, and you'll get a full breakdown, right? Lead you into the trade and then post you exactly why we got in. So you can learn from every trade I take, my winners, my losers. Where was Friday? Friday we got smoked. Where was that? Right here. Yeah, so Friday we got smoked, but other than that, we've been trading. I don't think we've taken a loss or last night, but I think that was the first loss since not Friday last week, but the week before that. Yeah, so you can come in here and study all my trades. You'll see what time they're taking, and then that's how you can kind of. Anything after 10:30 is typically off the stream. Yeah, but no, you'll notice, one thing you'll notice is that every trade I take looks identical to the next, right? They all have the playbook, right? It's either one of those setups. You'll never see some random looking trade on my sheet. Yeah, I would highly recommend you guys go in and study these trades too, even like the losers, the winners. Like I used to do this in Raja's Discord. They had a section for this. That's kind of like what made me want to do this. Because man, I've just learned so much from just reading chart breakdowns and getting an understanding of what led up to the trade, why they took it, and what the result was. So yeah, this is a good room to come in and study. Shout out to Scotty C who posts them all, and yeah. Yeah, this is a free Discord too, by the way. There's 8,500 traders in this Discord. So come on in, make yourself at home. Nobody knows nothing about these new channels. The Clubhouse. Whoo, can't do that right now. Can't spill that right now. Do I advise this to a beginner trader to trade whenever opportunity arises? I do not. One of the best things I ever did when as a beginner is I started to stick to 1 to 2 trades a day max. And I picked one session. So I would stick with the New York session, and I would typically just take one trade a day. So whether I won or lost, I was pretty much done. And I did that for about 2 years. This year is really the year I really started venturing off into different sessions. You'll know the time. Yeah, you'll see the time. Typically, it's going to be like, let's open this one up. Just random one. So see, but at 6:15, right, we get a breakout. So usually once you read through that, you'll see the times. Everything is documented. Yeah, you just got to read through it. Let's give away some challenges. All right, who wants some 25K challenge? Where's the Big Blessings? Where's he at? We'll give him one. Big Blessings or Blessings, something Blessings, right? I think I see. Where's the Big Blessings guy? I don't know where he's at. Thought he was here. He was here earlier asking for one. Alright, maybe we can give his to somebody else then. Alright, that's how you wake the chat up. Oh, damn, there you guys are. Sheesh. Thought I was sitting here all by my damn self for a little bit. Man. Did we get I don't know. Are we even at 500 likes? Oh, we are. Okay, 562. All right, awesome. Yeah, how are we gonna do this? TK, look what you started. All right, I'm in the giving spirit here today. Yo. You guys are funny, man. Damn. It's funny though that you guys know my number, but you guys haven't typed that one yet. Well, most of you guys know my number. All right. Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck here. TK, what'd you do here, man? Man opened up a can of worms. He opened up the can of chat. All right, who really needs it though? Some of you guys just want it. Who really needs it? Let's see. Let's get some familiar people who seem to be involved pretty much. Yo, TK, bro, what'd you do to me here, man? I feel bad now. Everyone gets an account. Oh man. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Let's think about this, Nick Stewart. Let's think for a minute. What's up, Crypto Madden? How you doing, bro? It's getting hot in here now. I want to see if there's any familiar names. Spin the wheel. All right, let's move. Let's Hey TK, why don't we pick them from the email listing? Yeah, let's pick 10. Let's do this. Let's pick 10 accounts. So we'll give 10 $25,000 challenge accounts here today. But we're going to do it from the email list. So we'll give you guys a few minutes. If you guys are not like on our email list, go to timetoeattrading.com and then scroll down and fill your email in. That way we got your email. We can send you credentials. We don't need to go back and forth. No yip yapping, nothing. Yeah. What do you say, TK? Yeah, if you guys aren't in the email list, head over to the website and let's do it there. We'll give us to some real ones. By the way, guys, the website's coming out nicely here. So this is the clubhouse. So if you guys want to sign up to get early bird specials on the clubhouse here. Clubhouse is all, you can just submit your info right there and yeah, you'll be ready to go. This is going to be my biggest project in life yet to date. I'm very, very excited about this. Very excited. The webinar, I don't think that's available anymore, right? Yeah, no webinar. Yeah. So the webinar will be in the clubhouse now. So if you guys want access to that, plus our previous boot camps, all that stuff. All right, if you guys, as long as you guys are signed up to the email, then we're gonna email some of you guys. So let's pick. I'm gonna pick 10 numbers. TK, let me make sure TK is still here. He just hit us with the giveaways and dipped. TK, where you at? Man, left me hanging. Why don't we do 5 from the clubhouse signups, and then 5 from maybe the email. I don't want you guys to just sign up for the clubhouse though for the account. Let's stick to the email accounts. Let's stick to the email list. Yeah, TK, let's stick to the email list. Yeah, don't worry about subscribing for the clubhouse. 1 to 1,300. All right, let's do number 2. So let's give one to number 2. Let's give another one away to number 22. And then let's give away another one to number 222. So that's 3. Let's give one to number 55. Number 500. Yeah, number 500. I think 555 got one last time. And then let's give one to number 1300. How about that? Let's give one to 1200. And then I'll wait a few more minutes in case anyone else needs to sign up here. By the way, we also give random accounts in your email. So anytime you get an email from Time to Eat, open it up because we might just be saying congratulations, you've won a 25K challenge account. So we've been doing that a lot lately. So keep an eye out for those emails. Why are people typing numbers? I don't know, man. I love it though. Just type in numbers. How do you know your number? TK is going to let you guys know if you guys have been selected. let's see what's happening here. So how many we got so far? Is that 5 or 6? You'll know if you've been picked because TK is gonna write the names in the chat here. We got 7. Okay, cool. So let's do number 7. So let's just do number 7 and number 77 and number 707. So what's that put us at? 10? We got 2. Yeah, we got 2, 7, 77, 777. We got 22, 222, 55, 500, 1300, and 1200. That's 10, right? Do I have a good memory? No, I don't. All right, TK's gonna get the names here. Let's get these names. Let's get the names out. So you guys will get you guys won't even have to claim it. We're just gonna email you. We're just gonna email you. Let's give away another let's do like another 4. All right, let's just do another 5. We might get in trouble, but let's do it. Yeah. All right, so so anyone who wins now this next 5, TK will send you an email tomorrow. How about we do that? And then we'll submit your request tomorrow, all right? We won't do that today. I'm like, nah, we didn't do any for 2 weeks now. All right, so let me let a few more people join up, and then so far, oh my gosh, so far 150 people, yeah, I think 150 or something popped in. Yeah, TK's gonna get the names ready. Oh, Mr. Abraham won. Senwave. 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 Oh, look at this, man. The daily's pumping back up here now. Daily almost ready to flip. Wow. The 1 hour? Yeah, the 1 hour was, but it had news involved in it. So the 1 hour kind of drove down and back up. That was all news. It looks nice and pretty here, but or the 30-minute, I mean. All right, TK's going to get the names ready. And then once he's ready for me, I'll pick 5 more. And then I think we're ready to dip. What are the numbers? The numbers are from our email list. So when you signed up for the email list, you're number 7. Like Nico, my boy Nico won. He was number 7 on the email list. W. Give him a whistle. I sort the list randomly. Oh, okay, it's randomly each time. Gotcha. Where's Nico at? Is Nico here? Nico, blow your whistle, man. Yeah, that's the good part about doing the email style is like whoever wins, wins. Yeah, there's Nico. Whether they're here or not, they won. Because you guys do know every time we don't pick someone and I skip over, you guys do know that that person's in my inbox later on, right? Please, Nick, please. I just went to go make some coffee. Please, bro. Stop the numbers. Hold your fire. Where do I sign up for the email list? You have to go to the website, brother. So go to the website, scroll all the way down, and then boom, right there. They be hitting me with the screenshots and all that. Like, yo, look, you picked me. And then I got to play the one part back to him where I go, if we pick you and you're not here, we are not giving you an account. I just enrolled. All right, nice. Nice, nice. We picked green? Nah, no we didn't. Can you just give me 25 cash instead? Yeah, absolutely. I got you. Say less, brother. Sunlight, man. I had to pay that just to say hello to Luke Belmar, just to shake his hand. Hey, Luke. Hi, my name's Nick. Hey, I'm Luke. All right, nice to meet you. All right, 25 grand. What? Don't I at least get my one phone call? All right, so we have the list here. So we got Nico is one of the winners. We got Malik, and 777 is next 88. That's your email. The new guy's like, yo, what's up with all the numbers out here? Life is not serious. It really isn't. It really isn't. All right, do we have all the winners, TK? We're going to email them. It's 12:20 and I got to get going here. James Felix won and Anderson Arroya won. All right, cool. We will email all of you guys, I promise. Let's give another one away. Let's give one to Cannon. Let's give one to Vishal, if that's how you say it. Let's give one to Peter. Let's give one to OS Cortez E Shorts D Podcast. Only if you feature me on your podcast. No, I'm just kidding. What was that? 4? Cannon, Peter, OS Cortez, and it's going too fast now. I can't see. Blocka. I can't see. I'm blind. I got let's see. I'm blind. I got glaucoma. All right, we'll do Josh. Josh will get it. Josh, all you guys that I'm calling you out now, you have to message TK on Discord. And one more. Dang. We're spinning. Who actually needs it though? Some of you guys don't need it. I know you guys don't. All right, let me think about it. I'll pick some random person in Discord later. How about that? Yeah, I think we do that. Yeah, let's pick in Discord later because the chat's moving too fast. I can't seem to pick one. I'm not getting the read I need. You know what I mean? All right, Queen B. Let's go with Queen B. Let's give a fresh start to Queen B here. Cool. I think that's all 5. Yeah, so we did 15. So we gave away 15 25K accounts here today. What is that? That is 25,000 times 15 is $375,000 in challenge accounts today. So I hope and pray that you guys use them to your advantage. Don't gamble them, right? Just use them. There's a lot of people who've gotten giveaways and ended up getting payouts, you know. So take it serious, even though it was free. Use them to your advantage and go make the most out of yourself. Keep us posted too, by the way. Yeah, keep us posted on how you guys make out. Cool. And I think we'll leave it there. Maybe we got some more giveaways later on in the week, I think. Maybe Friday. All right. So yeah, a little bit of consolidation. Congrats to anyone who took any trades here today. I only took that one sell earlier. That was about it. Other than that, it's just been cruising around. We've had in and out of news and stuff like that. So way to stay patient here today. Good conversations. And then yeah, until tomorrow, I say don't over risk, don't over trade, and stick to what you know best. Cool. Any last minute questions, comments, concerns, anything for me? I just want to let La Russell out here, C Melly. I just want to let him loose, but y'all good? Everyone good? All right, cool, gang. Proud of you guys. Way to stay patient here today. Way to stay disciplined. You know, not every day is going to be a trading day, so we don't run into those no trade days too often. But it looks like this week we've kind of ran into that a little bit. So it's only Tuesday. We'll continue the victorious march forward into the rest of the month, and yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow. All right. Love y'all. I'm out of here. Have a great day. Big up.
I was
Blessings,
down,
my
but
friends.
now I'm
Peace.
up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Sell to your customers.
Get
back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve Yeshua? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me. Yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.